एंड वेलकम बैक वन मोर टाइम। जैसे हर पॉपुलर शो में एक ब्रेक होता है, वैसा ही एक इस फिनाले एपिसोड में एक अनएक्सपेक्टेड ब्रेक लेना पड़ा हमें. So we are sorry for the interruption, but we are now back. We have RJ Vedika with her friends Anu, Pooja, Priya, Tanya, and we are playing another episode of किसका बैंड बजेगा. आपको पता है यहाँ पर बहुत सारी चीटिंग हो सकती थी, पर इन लोगों ने कोई चीटिंग नहीं की है. We were only on question number 1, so we will finish the show and we will find out कि आज इन सारी लड़कियों में से, इन दोस्त में से कौन किसका बैंड बजाता है. जो पहला क्वेश्चन था उसमें हमने आपसे पूछा था कि आपको बताना है टॉप 5 any series or movies that you guys have watched. So we were at Sara Bhai versus Sara Bhai, but me being me, I'm not going to stick to the same question. So the question is changing. Sara Bhai versus Sara Bhai आपसे पूछा था किसका आंसर होगा, और आप सबने इधर उधर के गैसेस मारे थे, but the सही आंसर was indeed Priya. तो प्रिया तुम बच गई.
I told you.
All right.
Too silent.
But that question is no longer valid. So तुम्हें नया question paper मिल रहा है, और जो पहला question भी same है कि आपको बताना है the favorite series. But what I've picked now is Mission Impossible. Who amongst you has given us Mission Impossible as your answer? Pooja is smiling. I'll start with Pooja. Pooja, किसका आंसर है Mission Impossible?
Okay, I feel that that's such a common movie that anyone and everyone in this group can watch. Oh, okay, Tanya, if you say that,
If
I
you
just
say
want
no,
to
then it's you.
Yeah, it's you.
No, I'm saying no because I know it's who.
Oh, you know it's who. Tanya, bata de.
Pooja.
Why? No.
But it's a common movie, right, Pooja?
Yeah.
So it could be you too. Why not?
No, it is not. Because I can watch English movies, but it's just because I'm being forced to watch that.
Forced.
by my partner saying, "Oh no, it'll be super action movie. It has a lot of comedy. Let's watch it. Come on, please."
Okay, so
I
who
just
other
stick
than
around.
you do you think will be that
I
answer?
think it could be Anu, or I'm not sure. It's such a common movie. It's very hard guess to make. Anu
Okay,
or Tanya,
let's hear
or...
other thoughts then,
Yeah. Okay.
if you are confused. Okay, Anu, क्या लगता है?
I mean, as Pooja said, it is a very common movie. It's not exactly like a particular choice.
But precisely why I picked it.
Yeah. Yeah,
smart.
it's a good pick.
It can be anyone. Actually, it can be also Pooja.
But why not you, Anu? So rather than focusing कि कौन हो सकता है, तुम क्यों नहीं हो? Why don't we hear that? Why won't you give that answer?
Mission Impossible is too much of an action movie for me to like.
Okay. See, yeah. So abhi let's see if people buy that answer of yours.
Right.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
वेदिका, क्या तुमने दिया है ये आंसर?
नहीं, मैंने नहीं दिया है ये आंसर.
Why
Wow.
so?
Because another great movie, but 5 चीजें ही चुननी थी, but it's not on my list of top 5 things. More than movie, I love the actor. So I watched the movie for him. No sharam at all in saying that. So yeah, but it's not my pick.
If
And
it's
I
not
think
your pick, so initial thought क्या लगता है? किसकी कहानी है? मतलब किसका आंसर है ये?
Anu, nahi. I'm trying to read the facial expression. It's Pooja then.
Pooja.
My facial expression always will
It could
this
be
way.
Pooja or
Always.
Tanya, because Tanya ne straight away bola no,
Yeah.
it's not
No, I
mine,
think
it's
And it
Tanya.
wasn't even Tanya's turn. It wasn't even Tanya's turn.
Yeah, जो
Okay,
ज्यादा कूदे वो झूठ बोल रहा है.
okay, let's
चोर की
say
दाढ़ी में तिनका.
Srinivas Raghavan is watching and he's saying wow. I think he means all of us are wow. But
We
Srinivas,
know
if you
him.
have an answer, and who do you think will give Mission Impossible wala answer if you know these ladies?
I want to ask
Want
from
to hear that
Srinivas
person's-
Raghavan
yeah.
who has given this answer.
Exactly.
I'll go with his answer.
I'm sure everyone here knows who Srinivas Raghavan, and it's very easy guess to make.
Yes, I can take a wild guess, but leave that aside. Tanya, तुम पे आते हैं. क्या लगता है? Mission
So
Impossible.
first, let me clarify why is it not my pick. First of all, I love Tom Cruise. And then
Oh yeah.
I
That's
love Henry Cavill. But that's not one of the like topmost movies ki story bhi acha theek hai kuch bhi if you choose to accept, but yeah, that's Pooja.
तुम लोग
That's
सच्ची
just
में इतने
Pooja.
सीरियस थे क्या? तुम लोगों ने सच्ची में इतने उससे लिखा क्या? ये मेरी फेवरेट्स है.
Yeah, I took the
तूने bluff
question
मारा है
very
क्या?
seriously.
I did.
तानिया को देखकर उसने सच्ची में ऐसे लिखा होगा. I'm like, okay.
Okay, so
नहीं, Pooja ही
Tanya,
है.
it's not you, but you think it's Pooja. All right,
Yeah.
Srinivas is sending us this symbol. So is he agreeing that it's Pooja, or is he trying to?
He's agreeing it's
He's
Pooja.
agreeing.
He's agreeing
He's
that it's
agreeing
Pooja.
it's Pooja.
Okay, Srinivas, you still have like 2 minutes to redeem your friend, partner, best friend, whoever. Sister.
I should try having a poker face, but seriously, it's not me, please. My face is always like this. Anyone, even for Priya's movie or Tanya's movie, my face will always be like this. So,
Okay, Priya, सबका सुन लिया, अब तुम बताओ क्या लगता है?
मुझे भी
Mission
लगता है
Impossible.
पूजा. It's पूजा. अब उसके हस्बैंड ने भी बोल दिया तो पूजा. Let's go.
But why not you? Why not you, Priya?
No, I don't like to watch English movie much. Like I like Hindi movies more than English. So
Tom Cruise से एलर्जी है.
नहीं उससे
Yeah.
तो
Okay,
यार उससे
can I-
कैसे एलर्जी होगी?
I know, exactly. But ऐसा भी हो सकता है ना कि किसी ऐसे ने नाम दिया है जो कि मतलब हाँ सबसे पॉपुलर मूवी है दे देते हैं just for variety sake. या फिर
Ah.
ये सब
Right.
हम लोग
तो
हम
फिर
लोग
तानिया.
Priya, you were the one. Priya was the one who said कि इतना सोचा था क्या तुमने आंसर देने से पहले? क्या पता तुमने बिना सोच के ऐसे मिशन इम्पॉसिबल दे दिया.
And that's a good
Right?
point. Yes.
मुझे लग रहा है तानिया भी हो
Srinivas
सकती है.
Raghavan is Srinivas Raghavan is not helping Pooja's cause. He's saying Pooja is a champion mafia player for context. Okay, so I think
cow.
She is
Last की
poker
बात.
face.
Oh my god, I shouldn't have told him about the live link here. Oh no.
so generally on my show I ensure कि तुम लोग पांचों दोस्त जब जाओ तुम्हारी लड़ाइयाँ हो जाएं. But I think today I'm ensuring कि not just 5 of you. There's another 6 that
घर
you can be in a
में घर
fight.
में भी दंगे हो जाए.
All right, this is fun. Okay, चलो अब final vote ले लेते हैं. We will start with Vedika. You tell us.
Pooja.
Confirm. Whoever thinks it's Pooja can just do this.
If this answer goes wrong, then I'm gonna talk to someone else.
Okay. Whoever thinks
Pooja can make a choice, right?
Yes.
Pooja can make a choice. Okay, so Anu thinks it's Pooja.
Guys, it's
right?
not me. It's not me. Seriously, believe me. It is my favorite movie, but not in the one which I picked for sure.
It's my favorite movie, but I didn't write the name.
Yeah, because there are a lot of such favorite movies I have.
Acha, Priya, what do you think?
It's a Pooja.
It's Pooja. So you have to do this,
Yeah.
so I know. Okay, Tanya, everybody, Pooja, you have to build your defense. Everyone, your own friends are saying, and your own,
You know, this one is for inside the house, so we can't do anything. There is a villain inside the house.
I have a kahavat on this. Ghar ka bhedi lanka dhai. This lanka is
my
done
line.
by ghar ka bhedi.
You stole my line. But Pooja, you know what? If they're wrong, then they are missing that point. It's not your
Yeah,
loss.
I know,
But
I
then
know.
you can make a good guess. Who do you
Yeah.
think among these 4
Tanya.
people? Tanya.
Yeah.
Okay.
She
Tanya, do you
would
have
be she's very smart. She'll think, okay, I can push this on someone else. This is a very common movie.
True.
I
And
don't
quickly,
I don't know if the answer is right or not, but there's one thing for sure that Mr. Srinivas is having dinner outside tonight.
No, he played safe and already ordered. That's why.
Oh.
I love it. Totally. Okay, ठीक है. तो फिर सबने दे दिया है आंसर. श्रीनिवास ने भी दे दिया है आंसर. I think we all know. और प्रिया तो Pooja, and you are voting for Tanya.
Yeah.
Okay. And you know the pattern of the show is that if your answer is right, you get a point. But if your answer did not get caught at all, then also you get a point, right? So the first answer, does anyone want to change the answers? No?
See, she's giving you a clue. Change your answers. Oh my god, an interviewer can't be even more direct. Guys.
I will do this for every
Yeah,
question.
she's good at that.
Okay, so for the first question today, today. Okay, who's the one who's smiling here? Everybody else is tense, but there's one person who's smiling.
We all are
The
smiling.
answer came from Priya.
Kill her. Seriously. Good one,
This is
Priya.
throwing you out of the track. Good one,
She
actually.
threw
Well
you off.
played. Well played.
Well played. See, she's watched all your shows, Swati. She knows how to act.
Or maybe you guys just did not even bother looking at Priya because everyone was so fixated on Pooja.
No,
Pooja,
because
No, no,
we
Anu
thought
started
we know
Anu
her.
started it towards Tanya and Pooja. Like people is going towards Tanya and Pooja. I'm like, okay, let's go to towards Tanya.
Actually, I thought I know you.
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Not anymore. Not anymore. So I love it when there are a lot of fights happening on KBB and after. So yay for me. All right,
Nalayak.
moving on to question number 2. The question was, what takes a lot of time but is totally worth it? Okay, the answers that I got were a lot of different answers, but I think it would be very predictable. So let me just pick one answer for you. The answer was waiting for the next season of your favorite series. Okay, one of you said waiting for the next season of your favorite series. अब आपको बताना है ये किसका आंसर है. बट मेरे ख्याल से अगर गेम ऑफ थ्रोन किसी ने देखा है तो यार वेट इट्स नॉट रियली वर्थ इट ऑल द टाइम. बट एनीवे दैट वाज मी saying, but let's hear it from Pooja. Pooja, let's start from you.
So that's a very tricky one. Because again, everyone wants to watch the next series as soon as possible. That's binge watching.
But who is the buff? Who's the buff amongst you guys? On top of all Netflix, all Amazon Prime, all the series, who's that?
Okay, this I have to be really careful in my choice because last time it was totally yeah. Probably Tanya again. Tanya, yeah.
Okay, Tanya, what do you think?
It's not me because most of the time I do wait, but I cannot watch it on the first day it's out. So I would say it's Anu.
You would say it's Anu because Anu watches everything first day, first show?
Not exactly, but she would tell me I was up till 3 o'clock binge watching this.
Okay. Okay. And that's not you? You wouldn't do that? Watch something till 3
I don't have, I need sleep.
She used to sleep in the night outs as well.
Yes.
Okay, Anu, tum pe uthi hai ungli. What do you have to say?
I mean, you know, you asked, right, that who is Netflix or Amazon buff. I think in 2020, probably everyone is a Netflix and Amazon buff.
Agree. But who's it the impatient one? And like Tanya said, ki first day, first show, who's that amongst you who'll watch? Or give an answer like this.
First day, first show. I'm not sure if anyone here is a first day, first show. Or maybe...
But someone who's always current with the content, who can't wait.
See, it also depends on which show, right? So...
अरे अनु
अबे तू कितना घुमा रही है? तू बता तू क्यों नहीं है?
But क्यों
मुझे तो
घुमा
यही
रही
लग
है?
रही है.
ये सोचो कि इतना क्यों घुमा रही है?
इतना
It
क्यों
can
घुमा
be
रही है?
anyone. So I remember when Game of Thrones was coming, then Pooja, Tanya, and we all were very excited, and we all saw the first episode of the finale season.
We watched party.
Again, if no one has watched it, don't see it. So.
Okay, but who do you think? किसका आंसर है?
Maybe Tanya, I don't know, or Pooja, I don't know.
Okay, all right. Priya, क्या लगता है?
तो लगता है Anu. I don't know. I don't know. I think it's like Anu because I heard once because she loved to watch series like continuously.
Oh,
So,
अच्छा. But you are
maybe.
not like that?
No.
With
I don't
Juti,
have patience.
I don't trust you anymore.
Yeah.
Let's go. I don't trust
After
anybody
Mission
anymore.
Impossible, it's hard. It's hard, and I don't blame them.
Yeah, Swati, you should not pick me first. सारा गेम खराब हो गया मेरा.
Oh, so maybe this is her. She just gave it to you guys. We will find out. Vedika, किसी ने convince किया तुम्हें या तुम तो नहीं हो जिसने ये आंसर दिया है?
हाँ ये भी हो सकती है.
मैं नहीं हूँ
very much
मैं नहीं हूँ because I don't believe in episodes. I believe in binge watching. तो मैं वेट नहीं करूंगी कि कोई एक एपिसोड एक सीरीज का आए और मैं उसको देखूं. नहीं, I'll let it come the whole and then I'll watch आराम से बैठ के. I want to see through and through. So but मुझे लगता है कि इनमें अनु और तान्या is my शक के घेरे में. So it could be
अनु हाई फाइव.
या अनु हाई फाइव. ये जरूर इन दोनों में से कोई है. पूजा भी हो सकती है और
Silent
प्रिया पे
killer
तो
लग
छोड़ ही दो. प्रिया पे तो ऑलवेज शक का दायरा में है ही वो तो हमेशा.
मतलब यार अच्छा खेलो तो भी प्रॉब्लम ना.
हाँ, I know.
हाँ वैसे अच्छा खेला. हाँ.
हाँ. So,
I
but
don't know who trusts Srinivas any longer, but Srinivas
no,
is saying
no.
Netflix. So, see, it's my job to read out all the comments, and Srinivas Raghavan is saying this one
वो
more
जो
time.
वो जो
Now,
रात
no
को
one
डिनर
believes
नहीं
me
बोल
on
रहा
this.
था ना. नो जो रात को डिनर वाला नई ऑप्शन था ना, मेक इट अ वीक. एक हफ्ता मत खिलाओ.
Chini will talk offline.
Yes, and Srinivas, if you have a good answer, good guess, then do tell us.
Help me, yeah.
Yeah, okay. So initial thoughts are Pooja thinks it's Tanya, Tanya thinks it's Anu, Vedika is confused between Anu and Tanya, and Priya is saying it's Anu.
Yes.
Time to make up your minds, and this is final voting. Let's start with Priya. Priya,
Anu.
Anu. Tanya?
Anu.
Oh my God. Pooja.
I think it's Anu.
You think it's Anu? Okay,
Yeah,
Vedika.
I'll change my vote. Yeah.
I want to hear the question once more.
The question was, what is it that takes a lot of time but is totally worth it? And the answer was waiting for the next season of your favorite series. Let me tell you a little bit about other answers and let's see if that changes anything and if it does at all. Taking a bath, somebody said. Somebody said cooking. I'm not saying the rest of the answers. But if you तुम्हें से ये लोग भी है, फिर किसी ने बोला waiting for the next series of your favorite.
I think it is Anu now.
Now it's Anu.
Anu.
But taking a bath is Anu or
No.
No, waiting for the season is Anu.
I know who's taking the bath person.
I think I also know who's taking a bath.
oh God, and why does Tanya have her hand? Is that you taking a bath?
No. I just know.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, everybody knows. Okay,
Yeah,
everybody knows. ठीक है, तो final vote is for Anu. Priya, तुमने vote दे दिया?
Yes, Anu.
Priya, Pooja, Vedika, you made up your mind?
Anu.
Oh my God, Anu, do you want to tell your friends? If
Anu
it's,
targeted.
yeah, you are targeted.
That's fine. Yeah.
But then what's your vote? If others are saying they can lose this point, like in case of Pooja, everybody lost that point. So do you want to guess who could be the one?
I mean,
Who will
yeah. Okay, fine. Tanya.
Okay,
He is
fine.
the only one now. That's why.
Oh my God.
Okay, all right. So your second question ka jo answer, the true answer tha, Anu, I must say, poorly defended, poor defense. Anu is the right pick, you guys. All of you get 1 point, and this answer indeed come from Anu. एक बार तो मुझे लगा अनु भूल तो नहीं कि उसी का आंसर है.
Yeah, actually, मैंने 2 दिन पहले answers लिखे थे. I have no idea what I wrote.
और अनु के पास डिफेंड करने के लिए कुछ है
We know it.
Maybe what series are you waiting for, Anu?
Right now, no one.
family man.
It's an okay show, yeah.
No, but
And also, I
that
have
could
never been a bluff player, so
That could be a past Zen moment, na?
All right. Okay. Moving on to the next question. So far, Priya has 2 points. Everybody else has 1 point. But Anu, you are yet to score a point on KBB. So buck up. We have 2 more questions to go. The next question is one thing that you buy way more than you should. There were various answers. There was tea mugs, there was wine, there were clothes, there were shoes. But what I picked for you is hair clips. This person has way too many hair clips than they should. We will start with Tanya. Help us. Who do you think this answer came from?
Confused between Vedika and Priya. Vedika because
एक भी
like
नहीं
it's
है.
not, first of all, it's not me because you can see I don't have anything to put the hair clip on. Vedika because she already has a hairband right now, so she might be.
Oh, madam, hair clip and hair band are two different things.
I mean,
Let me
hair
clarify.
accessories. Hair accessory.
Okay.
And Priya because maybe two girls, so she likes to buy hair clips.
That's a good one.
Now you also has a girl. Don't forget to buy pins.
And also, this person knew the format of the show, right? So probably because you don't have hair, nobody will pick you, and that's why you gave that answer.
Oh my god, I
Yes.
didn't put that much thought into it.
Okay, Priya, what do you have to say?
It's
Kya
a
lagta hai?
Vedika, I think. I know she loves pins, hairbands.
See?
See?
And
Matlab-
not Pooja. Pooja also has long hair.
She loves hair products and everything, which I know. So might be my
Okay.
answer is Vedika.
Vedika, you do have gorgeous hair. So
Yes, she has.
it looks like one very educated answer if someone says ki hair clips is going to be you. What do you have to say?
So I do have gorgeous hair. I take that compliment gracefully. But it is not me because the person who knows me knows that my hair can never be controlled by clips.
Then I'll
my
change.
hair is not made for hair clips.
Then I'll
actually
change.
playing
Pooja-
with Priya. Be careful.
Pooja चुपचाप
Yeah,
बैठी है.
She's
so
actually
I
playing
buy
with-
the biggest rubber bands, the biggest things because they are, by God's grace, they are so nice, you know.
I
So
think
hair
Very
clips
good.
is not meant for me.
But if not you, who then?
I think it's a Pooja. I will change now.
I think Priya.
Because
And it could be Tanya too, because she knows the show format.
Yeah.
और सबसे पहले ये बोला, I don't have hair. Where will I put a clip?
सही बात है ना?
मेरा भरोसा सबसे उठ गया, guys. मेरी शक की उंगली सबकी तरफ होगी.
Anu is looking confused. Have these girls confused you thoroughly?
So, I mean, with hair clips, I would think it would probably be either Priya or Pooja. Also, because they can use and they have two girls at home.
See, logic.
Or if Tanya was trying to bluff, then she might, right? So, or if she's not trying to bluff, then she's not a hair clip person. So,
अनु अभी देखिए इसका फेसबुक अकाउंट सारे बच्चे इसके बच्चे के क्लिप देखते हैं दानिया के कितने
So out of 6 people, Anu has said दो भी हो सकते हैं, मुझे छोड़ के ये भी हो सकता है. So चारों के ऊपर तुम्हारा शक है. You'll have to narrow it
I
down.
think Pooja or Priya.
Pooja or Priya. Okay. I'll let you think and decide. Pooja, you've heard. Everybody else, क्या लगता है?
Okay, so hair clips are very interesting things, but I don't have so much patience when getting ready. Someone is really punctual here and you have to be on time everywhere. And when you have to dress up, I don't think I have enough time to even find where the hair clips are. So I normally don't
Well,
invest
she
in
doesn't
any
even
of
wear
those.
sweaters.
The topic is about hair clips. So I would surely love to someone, make
This
hair
is-
clips and give me, but I've never bought one.
This is किसका band बजेगा, not Pooja का
I
band
think it's
बजेगा.
Priya.
Why
Pooja ka band to always bajega with
you are
these people
targeting
around.
me?
Yeah, I think it's Priya because I've seen girls dressed up well. And could be Vedika also, just to throw us
Okay.
off the track. But I'm sure Tanya and Anu are not clips person. Still, I know.
Okay. All right. Final. Let's take final votes. Tanya,
Yeah.
Priya, Anu,
Priya.
Priya, Pooja.
That's why my choice is between Vedika and Priya now. Vedika loves clothes too, so so
I love clothes
again. Two.
too.
So maybe
So
Priya.
there was clothes also in the thing. So
Yeah, I
you
heard
think-
your suggestion.
Okay.
Oh, when
okay,
did you
so-
say that?
मैंने
Pay
बोला ना, there were
attention.
other answers. Pay
Okay.
attention, Vedika.
Yeah, pay attention. It's very easy to
So
say
I'm
to people,
admiring
pay
my hair
attention.
then.
There was lipstick, there was clothes, there was shoes, there was wine.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
so
okay.
Oh,
Now,
there is
now,
lipstick.
okay, now
Okay,
I know
she
my
used the
answer.
game
Yeah,
plan,
it's
actually.
Priya.
Yeah.
it's Priya. Okay, Pooja, a final
Priya.
answer?
Priya.
So all of you
Guys,
think it's Priya. Priya, you have to tell your friends. Is it you really?
no, it's not
She
me,
is.
guys. You are like एक बार गलती हो गई मुझसे तो बार बार थोड़ी ना सेम चीज करूंगी.
गलती हो गई नहीं बेटा, उल्लू बनाया.
अब बन गए थे तो मुझे अच्छा लग रहा था. But it's not me. It's either Pooja or Vedika, but मुझे वेदिका ज्यादा लग रही है. My answer is Vedika.
Okay, so everybody is saying it's Priya. Priya thinks it's Vedika. Does anyone want to change their vote?
नहीं
Lock
करेंगे.
कर दिया जाए? All right. This was the third question of Kiska Band Bajega with RJ Vedika and her friends. Up tak ka points tally tha that Priya was at 2 points. Everybody else was at 1 point other than Anu. Anu, so do you want to stick to your answer of Priya? I'm giving you a special invitation to change your answer if you want to.
No, no, that's fine. I am
Ooh.
okay.
Why, Anu? Why, Anu? That's partiality.
Yeah.
Even
Can
zero
we
is
change
zero,
the answers? Can we change the answer?
Ah, Pooja, you can too. Tell me.
I think it's Vedika. I don't know. After you said that, I have to rethink.
It can be.
Pooja?
And can you really trust me? Remember when I came back, I started Sarabhai with Priya, but I still stuck to Priya just to confuse you guys. I will go to any extent to confuse you because that's what KVV is all about. But up to you. If anyone wants to change their answer, do so now before I give away the answer.
No.
Going 1, going 2, going 3. All right. So Priya was at 2 points. Priya now is at 3 points because all of you are wrong. It was indeed Vedika's.
Oh! I should have. Oh my God.
This close, Pooja. This close.
I was
this
actually,
close.
because she
Priya,
always
this-
talks about her hair. Like Priya said, she always loves taking care of hair. I've seen her put many products on her hair, like
I don't,
avocado,
please.
curd, banana. I've seen it. Please, I've seen it.
No, actually, guys, I don't talk about my hair, or I'm not always involved with that, but that's the truth. That hair clips fitting in my hair is a rare thing. So I do keep looking for the hair clip which
She's
can
the only one who buy
Yeah.
clip for me too.
I think that gave away.
Good.
But,
Good job,
but
Priya.
Vedika, I think your defense was very nice. Everybody else bought into that. And but
Give me 1 point.
no, sorry, I can't because Priya was. You couldn't convince Priya. The problem was you were all pointing to Priya, and Priya was like, ah, that's why. That's
It's okay. It's okay.
why. Okay. So Priya is leading. Let's see if someone can come close, and let's see if Anu makes 1 point on the show or not. Okay.
Will I get money if you give
Anu,
me 1 point?
Anu,
If
we'll
there is
give
no
you
money,
point.
then I'm okay with 0 points.
वाह क्या कंपटीशन स्पिरिट लेके आई हो तुम हमारे शो पे वाह 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 पैसे नहीं है तो मेरे को आना ही नहीं है वाह
नहीं नहीं Anu, the lowest point wins money.
What
The
is
lowest
it,
point
Swati?
wins money.
Then I will stick with my 0 points.
Okay, all right. Your
Guys,
final
I am
question.
Marwadi. So if anything is winning money, I am on it. Anu trade kar 0 mere se.
Okay, all right. Your last question of this evening and KBB is: what is the most common thing you wish was illegal? Some very interesting answers. Leaving shopping carts in the parking spaces. Somebody said talking in the theaters. Someone else said chai should be made illegal. ये कौन है?
ये
प्रजाति.
वेदिका है.
ये तो वेदिका है.
Gossiping. ये भी कौन सी प्राणी है जिसको gossiping illegal कराना है? I have no idea. But what I picked for you today is posting on social media without checking the grammar or spelling. Who's this grammar Nazi?
Oh.
And I feel attacked क्योंकि मैं कितने बार social media पे इतना लंबा लंबा लिखती हूँ तो बहुत गलतियाँ होती हैं. So anyway, without taking it personally at all, तुम्हें guess करना है ये किसका आंसर है? Who's this?
पहले
Grammar
तो
not.
हेटिंग चाय वाला किसने लिखा है कंफ्यूज करने के लिए. तुम तो सब चाय की चुस्की हो.
Vedika.
Pure your.
No, I was not that person. The person who wrote was confusing.
Ladies, leave some of these answers for your WhatsApp conversations as well, right? This will give you enough fodder for that. But let's focus on ये social media पे किसको grammar का tension होता है. Let's start with Vedika. Vedika कौन है ये जिसने ये answer दिया है?
It cannot be Pooja.
Okay.
Why?
Why?
Because she's
Yeah.
Because she is not that kind of person who says somebody कि तुमने गलत किया है या ये गलत है. She won't point out.
precisely why she will say it on a show like that ना कि मैं बोलती तो नहीं हूँ सामने सामने पीछे से बोल देती हूँ कि भाई check your spellings and grammar.
No, it could not be Pooja.
No?
It cannot be Priya or Pooja. It can be Tanya.
Yeah.
You?
Yeah. Because
Why?
there are few things which ticks her off.
Oh.
So it could be
And
one of them.
Tanya, what do you have to say?
I think it's Vedika.
ओए,
She,
Oh.
ये क्या मैंने तुझको बोला तूने मुझको
नहीं,
बोला
नहीं,
seriously?
नहीं. I have a solid reason behind it. So she is very okay, like Shuddha Hindi, Shuddha use and everything, right? So I can see you as a
सोशल
grammar
मीडिया पे तो
Nazi.
इंग्लिश जाती है ना.
Social media, yes.
हाँ,
No,
वो
no,
जाती है,
no,
but
that is improved a lot.
With
You
my
can post
matrabhasha.
it.
That is, I'm like that touchy about Hindi. But
So
am I touchy about English? How do you know that?
But the answer is not talking about Hindi or English. They are
Oh,
just
अच्छा,
Exactly.
language grammar. Oh,
हाँ,
that
हाँ.
could be me, ऐसा.
हाँ.
हाँ.
वही मुझे
Vedika
लग रहा है ये तो
है.
वेदिका ही है.
वेदिका. Okay, तान्या को भी लगता है वेदिका है. और पूजा बोली. पूजा, you said something which I didn't catch. Who do you think it is? क्या लगता है?
No, I've seen, like Tanya said, like Vedika always points out, like, and the main reason that I don't speak in Hindi before her is, even though I know to speak Hindi, it's because she keeps correcting me. No. So the thing is, yeah, my point is,
यही है. नहीं वाले part को छोड़ो.
ऐसी नहीं।
पूजा is like मैं बोल भी नहीं हूँ पर मैं बोलना चाहती भी नहीं हूँ तो तुम मुझसे बुलवाओ मत please.
डर लग
Okay,
रहा है.
पूजा समझ गए हम समझ गए.
Okay, if it comes to Hindi, then it could be all the 4 girls around me.
And English?
Because English probably sometimes, but not like so often. Unless I'm super emotional and I want to write down something.
But who else? Who else is super critical about English? If Vedika is Hindi.
तानिया.
It's a very tough one. It's a very
ये कौन
tough
बोल
one.
रहा है पीछे से?
ये प्रिया ने बोला तान्या. But then बाकी answers there were chai, gossiping, leaving shopping carts outside, talking in the theater. So वो देख के सोच के तो पूजा I'll leave you with that thought. Think about it.
Yeah.
Anu, पैसे नहीं है इस आंसर में, but you can't go with the अंडा man. Try. You've got to try.
I don't know. I was just thinking that till now, for all the questions, you have picked answers from me, Vedika, and Priya. So people who are left are Pooja and Tanya.
वाह वाह वाह.
ये guys, इसमें I would love to say स्वाति पे trust नहीं किया जा सकता. पर मेरे past experience से I would like to say this to you. She can pick anybody anytime.
वो एक तो इतने मुश्किल से मोटिवेट करके आंसर बोल रही थी तूने उसको फिर से वो कर दिया. नहीं यार अनुज सही चल रही हो तुम. मैं उसको 0 पॉइंट के साथ जाते हुए नहीं देखना चाहती.
It's okay.
पैसा दे दे.
Also,
Then you pay.
I am fine with it. There's not low. It's okay.
See,
So you are saying,
I mean,
some
yeah, as
answers
everyone was saying that, yeah, I think Vedika is someone who has really a very good supremacy on the language Hindi. But when it comes to social media, you generally think like people would mostly post in English, right? Or maybe, I don't know, maybe Vedika puts in Hindi in Facebook. I don't know. I don't have Facebook.
अरे हाँ, you are not in Facebook.
Yeah. But I would say Tanya is also someone who can be
grammar Nazi.
Yeah, sometimes, not all the time.
Okay,
But
all
it's
right.
a rough game, so I won't be surprised if it's someone else, or maybe it's your answer.
But it's not you, right? Anu, it's not you.
It might be. अच्छा नहीं, she's not in Facebook now.
अरे तो Facebook social media is much
social
more.
media is just not
Ah,
It's
Facebook
more
that's
than
because it's
Facebook, man.
She's on
I think-
Instagram. Yeah.
Ah, no,
Yeah,
I heard her getting irritated by some posts, but I think it's Vedika. But yeah, sorry. Continue.
प्रिया सबका सुन लिया तुमने अब और तुम वैसे ही बहुत अच्छा खेल रहे हो so just
Can you,
take an answer
Swati,
and it'll be right.
can you tell us the remaining 4 answers?
Okay,
Go
leaving
on.
shopping carts in the parking spaces.
Okay.
By the way, I loved all the answers. Talking in theaters. Oh, there's another one. Creating pants with tiny pockets or no pockets.
Ah, so relatable.
So relatable, I know. And then chai, this person, so I don't know who this person is. Gossiping. ये कौन है जिसको gossiping illegal करनी है? And then the answer that I picked was the posting to social media without checking the
By the
grammar.
way, we should have only 5 answers now. And did you say 5 or there was more than
I
that?
said 6 because there was one person who gave 2 answers.
See?
बहुत बढ़ गया
हाँ।
एग्जाम के लिए
PhD कौन कर रहा था बहनों?
too many marks.
Okay, बताओ ये किसने
I
किसका
think
आंसर?
it's Tanya.
No, with being 6 answers, now I'm like more sure it's Vedika. उसने चाय भी उसने खुद नहीं लिखा है अब ये भी उसी ने लिखा है।
Gossip भी उसने
सोशल
लिखा है।
मीडिया के बारे में मतलब आई डोंट थिंक सो वेदिका
Okay.
इट्स तानिया.
Okay, Priya thinks it's Tanya. Tanya, what's your final answer?
Vedika.
Vedika, what's your final answer?
Tanya.
Tanya, इतना सुनने के बाद Anu, what's your answer?
Yeah, go with Tanya.
You'll also go with Tanya. ये क्या popularity? Do you see a
नहीं,
pattern?
नहीं.
One person says, everyone just keeps saying.
Yeah, it's nice to go with the flow, right?
नहीं भरोसा कर रहा है.
Priya has maximum points ना. उसका instinct
यार-
काम किया है. So we are trusting her on that.
But go with the flow has
अरे
got
but
to a
इससे
point.
पहले whenever you have done this, yeah, you want to win that point.
No, but then I have to be
तानिया
correct too,
स्वाति
right?
बहुत ज्यादा बोल रही है. ये तानिया नहीं है भाई, कुछ और है.
तो तू answer change कर. You change your answer then. I am not going to do that.
देख अन्नू है नहीं, तेरा मुझे लगता नहीं है. पूजा भी सोशल मीडिया पे उतनी है नहीं. आई थिंक इट्स तानिया. तो
इससे पहले जब
not
भी तुमने
you?
group mentality किया है, तब all of you have lost point, and that one person gets that point. So don't make the same mistake again. I'm just saying.
It's okay. Anu made it clear ना पैसा नहीं मिल रहा.
I mean, after this, even if you say Tanya, and I think if it comes out to be Priya, then you better send a gift certificate to her because she played the best game.
You know.
True, that will be
Yeah.
really, really good.
Yes,
I'm gonna
even I was
unfriend
about to
her.
think
I'm
that way
gonna
because it
unfriend
could
her
be
अगर अभी
Priya.
प्रिया होगी तो.
No, it's
Seriously.
not. नहीं नहीं अब नहीं, बार बार सेम चीज नहीं होगी गाइस.
Everything is possible.
Pooja, final answer.
Man, I'm so confused. I have Priya in my mind, Vedika in my mind, and Tanya in my mind.
Not Anu, but.
Anu, she's not a super social media person. Like, she posts very rarely, and she basically
But
loves
पढ़ती
everything
तो
that
है.
is posted.
But she
Critic. This is about critic, right? Who
Yes,
does not
being a
want
critic.
people.
She consumes
No, in the
social
sense
media
she
and
likes
public.
everything that's been posted. So I think she won't be the one who looks for the small details. She just enjoy the show kind of person.
Ah, wow, Pooja.
Okay, I'm gonna get extra aloo methi from her.
आलू में थी.
Pooja,
Tanya, you got it.
Okay,
You
final
can't afford
answer.
any more aloo methi.
I think it's Vedika.
You think it's
Seriously?
Vedika?
No, Pooja, it's not me.
Oh,
I think
please.
it's you.
Oh, it's okay. Let's see.
Okay, so for the first time, we have thoda split here where Tanya and Pooja think it's Vedika, right? Tanya, did you say Vedika?
Yeah.
Okay. And Anu, Vedika, and Priya think it's Tanya.
Yes.
Okay, and you guys are feeling confident about your answers?
No.
Absolutely.
Almost.
Almost. Okay, but does anyone want to change their answers?
No.
Okay, I was just checking if Srinivas has anything to say, but he hasn't said anything. So sorry, there's no external help coming. Also, Pooja, don't look here and there because if he's helping you, then that's not valid. But Pooja and Tanya think it's Vedika, Anu, and Priya think it is Tanya.
Anya.
And for the first time in the history, very short history, but history of KBB, there's one person who's got all 4 answers right. This was indeed Tanya's answer. And Priya has scored this time.
Awesome!
Wow.
It was Tanya.
It was Tanya. Wow.
I should have just blindly gone
Who
with
said
Priya.
chai?
Like, I've
It's
never
me.
seen anyone get all the answers.
Who said
Like,
chai?
Who said
It was
Pooja.
me.
Pooja. It was Pooja.
I wanted to push it on Vedika.
See,
I
I
know.
told you, Shani.
Gossip किसने लिखा था?
I actually drink so much chai that sometimes I feel like, oh my god.
I
Should be
wrote
illegal.
I wrote the pants with no pockets.
tiny pockets? Yeah.
And I wrote the, I think.
Priya had 2 answers. Priya said
Shopping
talking
carts.
in theaters and shopping carts. Gossiping, Vedika. Yeah, you girls, can you teach her how to gossip? And then gossiping should not be made illegal. Sorry, that's
नहीं
not
नहीं
allowed.
इसको गॉसिप से बाहर कर देते हैं ना, फिर इसके बारे में
हाँ।
गॉसिप करते हैं.
इसीलिए मुझे उसको
All
illegal करना है.
All right. On that note, thank you so much. This was so much, a lot of fun. Sorry for the interruption that we had. Priya, you were brilliant on the show. किसका बैंड बजेगा का finale इससे अच्छा नहीं हो सकता था. Thank you so much.
Thank
you
you.
all of you for joining
Thank
us.
you,
Thank you,
Swati.
Swati.
Have
Thank
a
you.
good
Thank
one,
you,
you
Swati.
guys.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Looking
listening.
forward to season 2.
Yes.
Absolutely. That's a wrap of Kiska Band Bajega Season 1. This is RJ Swati signing off, and hopefully we will be back with Season 2. If you want to be on the show, if you want to participate on the show, do write to me, swati@radiozindagi.com, or contact sfo@radiozindagi.com. With that, this is the end of Kiska Band Bajega. Thank you everyone who has joined us in the journey, and have fun. Bye you all.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, guys.